How to sell print-on-demand products on Etsy. Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to sell print-on-demand products on Etsy using Printify. If you're an artist, designer, or an entrepreneur looking to monetize your creativity and reach a wider audience, selling print-on-demand products on Etsy is a great option. With Printify, you can create and sell a variety of customized products such as t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more, without the need to hold inventory or handle shipping. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your Etsy shop, connect it to Printify, and start selling your own print-on-demand products. Whether you are a beginner or an inexperienced seller, this tutorial will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating and promoting your products on Etsy. So let's get started. So over here right now, we are currently on Etsy. This is where we are going to sell our products later on. So the first thing we're going to do is go to printify.com. Over here, this is where we will be creating our products, our print-on-demand products for drop shipping and for our Etsy store. To begin with, we're first going to check out our different products that we can create by hovering over the catalog over here. This will show us all the different products that we can sell and customize for our customers. Now over here we have men's clothing, which are t-shirts, hoodies, sweatshirts, long sleeves, and many more. Similarly with women's clothing, on kids clothing, it's only for t-shirts, long sleeves, sweatshirts, baby clothing, sportswear, and bottoms, and others over here. We can also create products from accessories such as face masks, phone cases, bags, sacks, underwears, hats, and many more. And we could also create products for home and living like mugs, bottles and tumblers, canvas, posters, postcards, ornaments, and many more. Now over here on the left side, we could check out products that are featured. Featured products are products that are new arrival. These are new products that Printify are currently adding to their catalog. Over here we have a new two-piece swimsuit that we can create our design on. There's also gallery wraps over here. We could also check out the bestsellers. Bestsellers meaning these are the products that users of Printify are usually buying and selling. As you can see, we have a normal t-shirt, a tote bag, a hoodie over here, more t-shirts, and there's also a door wall tapestry over here. There's tumblers and mugs. We can also check out the new arrivals, eco-friendly type of products, AOP clothing, assembled in the USA type of products, print providers, brands, bulk discounts, and your favorites over here. Now, what we're going to do first is we're going to check out our bestsellers, which we are in right now. And this is what we are going to choose, because bestsellers means that these are products that people are buying the most. So this is our product that we will be selling on Etsy so that we would be able to gain a lot of sales in a short time. So we're simply going to choose a specific product that we would like to design. I'm going to choose a tote bag over here. And over here, we will be able to see the different components of our tote bag. There's also different mock-up images over here on the left side. We can see that it is 100% made in polyester, box corners, different information about the product. We could click on read more, and this will show us the key features of the specific products and like care instructions, size guides, and also similar products over here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to check out our all print providers. There's only one option right now, so we're going to click on start designing, and this will redirect us to the editing page of Printify. This is where we will be able to edit the design of our tote bag, and we could upload designs from our device if you already have a pre-existing design, custom text, Shutterstocks, Dropbox, Google Drive, or Fiverr. In Fiverr, you would be able to hire professional designers on Fiverr to create a design for you. You could also check out your library. This is for designs that you have previously uploaded before. There's also my templates over here and graphics. In graphics, this is where you will find different elements that you could add into your product over here. These are different digital designs that you could use to design your product. But I suggest that you use a different design creator, and I'm going to suggest that you use Canva. I'm going to use Canva to design our tote bag over here. So I'm going to click on our Canva over here. I'm going to choose a template that we're going to create our design on. I'm simply going to choose this one for the meantime. The type of template doesn't really matter. We're simply going to use the size of our canvas to create our design on. Now, right now, our page has loaded up. We're simply going to create a very simple design for our Printify product over here. As you can see here on the left side, there are already pre-made templates that you could actually use. You can simply edit this and, download it and then upload it into your Printify editor over here. But for us, we're not going to use any of these templates. We're simply going to go with elements over here to show you that you would be able to create your very own design without any help from anything. You just simply need to think of a topic that you would like to create and then search in the elements over here. For example, I'm thinking of dog themed design. So I'm going to search for dog and we're going to wait for it to load. We have graphics over here. There's also photo options over here. I'm going to focus on graphics for now. We're going to click on see all and we're going to wait for our different graphics to load in a bit. As you can see here, we have different graphics for dogs that we could use for our tote bag over here. So you're simply going to choose whatever design or whatever graphic that you like and then drag it into your page over here. For example, this one, I'm going to put it in our page over here. And what I'm going to do is we're going to search for another additional design. For example, this one, I'm going to put this on the background just like this. I'm going to copy this, duplicate our image over here just like that, and we're going to make them group together. We're going to adjust it a bit. We're going to fix the sizing just like this, and we're going to press Alt and then drag just like this. And we're going to change the position a bit, make it not feel very empty on the background, just like this. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click on positions and we're going to put our dog on top of all these layers, just like this. We're going to fix our background once again to make sure that it's not having any empty spaces being left behind, just like that. You could design or create anything you want. You just need to have and focus on a specific topic for your design, just like this. And I'm going to search for shadow so that our dog would have a shadow beneath. And we're simply going to drag in a shadow over here, put it under, click on position once again, put our dog on top, just like that. And we have a dog on our shadow over here. Now, after creating a design, a simple design, you're simply going to click on share over here on the top right and click on download. We're going to download this as a PNG. You could remove the background if you want by clicking on transparent background over here. We're simply going to click on download and we're going to wait for our artwork to finish downloading. And after downloading, we're going to go back to Printify over here. We're going to click on new design and click on my devices, then upload the photo that we have created. And as you can see, our design is now on our tote bag design over here. We're simply going to adjust the size and we're going to do this. We can fit our tote bag. We're going to adjust our photo over here. We're going to put it in the middle, just like that. Make sure that you follow all the margins so that our photo won't get caught, just like that. And we're going to actually duplicate this. We're going to click on this icon over here, which would duplicate our product, and then put it on the bottom. And then we're going to flip this just like this by clicking on this button over here, which will flip it vertically. Now, why did I duplicate and flip it? Because as you can see, this is the bottom of the bag, and that means that this is the front side and this is the back side. So I just wanted our tote bag to have a design on both sides so that no matter how you wear it, it will still be showing the design. Now over here on the right side, we can see that we can add sizes by clicking on this button over here. We could add small size, medium size on our tote bag. And this means that this will be different variants for our tote bag over here. We could make specific designs for different sizes also by clicking on this option over here. Now, after editing our product over here, we're simply going to click on Save Product. And this will redirect us to this page over here. As you can see here, we are able to see different mockups for our designed product over here. As you can see, we have our dog design on our product over here. We can also see it on a human model over here. Just like that, we can see our design on our product over here. And we can also see that we have small, medium, and large options over here. And over here below, we can edit our title, we can edit description, we can change your title to, for example, whatever theme you have, tote bag, go theme, just like that. You can add more descriptions over here. You could check out your variants. We could select this all and edit the price for each individual variants. Now over here below, we can see that we have our publishing setting over here. This is how we will be able to connect Etsy to our Printify. And we're going to click on Connect a Store. And as you can see here, I already have a Etsy store connected. But if you haven't connected your Etsy store yet, you can simply click on Add a New Store over here and click on the Etsy option over here. Now, when someone orders from your Etsy shop, for example, this tote bag that we have created, the print providers will print our product over here and they will send it to whomever bought our product. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.